Apple just unveiled its M4 iPad Air, a powerhouse upgrade on the Surface. But is this new release one of Apple's biggest strategic missteps in recent memory? Today, we're diving deep into the M4 iPad Air's release and pricing. Let's uncover if Apple has truly fumbled the ball with this new device. First, let's acknowledge the M4 chip. It's undeniably impressive. A true beast. Apple skipped M3, jumping straight to M4 for the Air. A significant leap that promises incredible performance and groundbreaking AI capabilities. This redefines what a tablet can do, offering unmatched efficiency for professionals, gamers, and power users. It sounds like a dream. The M4 iPad Air is faster, more capable, pushing mobile computing limits. So, with such power, where could Apple's potential mistake possibly lie? The first major point of contention is the release date strategy. The M4 iPad Air launched right alongside the M4 iPad Pro. The simultaneous release creates an immediate dilemma for consumers. Why launch two powerful M4 devices almost at the same time? It risks cannibalizing sales and confusing potential buyers. This dilutes the impact of both the Air and the Pro models. Apple usually spaces out releases, giving each product its spotlight. This tight turnaround feels uncharacteristic and potentially detrimental. It could harm both the Air and Pro's market performance significantly. Then there's the pricing. The M4 iPad Air starts at a competitive point. However, it's uncomfortably close to the M4 iPad Pro, especially with upgrades. For many, the Pro model, with its superior display and features, is more compelling. Just a few $100s more for a significantly better experience. This narrow gap forces consumers to question the Air's value proposition. It feels less like a distinct mid-range option and more like a compromised Pro. This strategy has broader implications, internally muddling Apple's lineup. The Air, once a sweet spot, now struggles to define its identity. Externally, it gives competitors an opening to gain market share. Brands like Samsung and Microsoft can highlight clearer value. Apple's move might inadvertently push buyers towards alternatives or simply towards the higher-end Pro, leaving the Air in an awkward middle. So, was the M4 iPad Air's release and pricing Apple's biggest mistake? While the device is a marvel, the strategic decisions raise serious questions. It risks confusing consumers, cannibalizing sales, and blurring product lines. Only time will tell how this plays out in the market, but for now it feels like a missed opportunity to position a fantastic device. What do you think? Is the M4 iPad Air a brilliant move or a strategic blunder? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe.